Well, in today's episode, we're going to try to go over to Mercedes and troubleshoot the Don Vito. We have some problems with the ignition lock on the car, so hopefully we don't get totally ruined, but we'll see how it comes along. After that, we're going to probably try to tear down the front suspension because we're going to try and reinforce the strut towers in the front. And we're also going to weld some holes that we don't use anymore, so get the firewall completely sealed for the competition side. So other than that, yeah, let's get to work. Right now we're heading out to Mercedes to my friend Johnny Haren. He's gonna help me troubleshoot my van, Don Vito. We have some troubles with the ignition system, so hopefully we can find something that's wrong and cheap, hopefully. Nothing too expensive, hopefully, but let's see. Check the car, and hopefully it looks to be the ignition lock, so I'm gonna get a pricing for that tomorrow, and let's just hope it's not too expensive, but it doesn't seem to be that bad. Could have been worse. Let's go back to the garage and get cracking. Well, as you can see, we stripped all the front suspension off and the strut towers and everything, and made it ready for some welding. We're gonna put in a support here, a new pipe, because it's in front of the tower. It's still legal in Sweden to do that. We're also gonna try to weld all these holes up that we don't use anymore. They were used for our oil lines before, but now we don't need them. And we're gonna weld that as well. We're probably gonna try to find time to stitch weld the towers a bit, because I think it's kind of the weakest point of the front suspension. We're also gonna try, if we find some time, to stitch weld the suspension towers a bit. We're legally allowed in the Swedish regulations to add 150 square centimeters of reinforcement to each point, so we're probably going to add a small ring of reinforcements in the tower. Other than that, try to make it all clean and stuff, so we can get a proper paint job done in the engine compartment, because we have spilled some brake fluid and stuff, so all the paint's gone in certain places, so I think it's going to be good.